Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, install Kiwi from Google Play and open it on your Android device. Make sure you use the standard Kiwi release and not a fork. Next, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner to open Settings. From that menu, select Extensions to open the Extensions page. On the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch at the top right. Finally, navigate to Chrome. Google.com/Web Store to prepare for installing an extension. Search the Chrome Web Store at Chrome. Google.com/Web Store for the extension you want. When you find it, tap Add to Chrome to start installation. A permissions dialog appears listing site access and data use. Read it carefully. Tap Add Extension to confirm and wait for the install to complete. If the Add to Chrome button is missing, download the extension. CRX file to your device. Then open Kiwi Extensions and drag the CRX into the page. After installation, return to the Extensions page to manage your add-ons. Use the toggle next to each extension to enable or disable it instantly. Tap Details for granular controls like site access and permissions for specific domains. To remove an extension, tap Remove and confirm the deletion with one tap. If an extension misbehaves, clear browser cache, restart Kiwi, and retry. Reinstall the extension if problems persist, and always update Kiwi and the extension to the latest versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.